This is a very short course and is less than 2 hours. Now, to get the most out of this course, this is what I recommend, and if you do it right, your learning will be very productive. First, watch all the video lessons to the end before you implement what you learned. This way, you will get a bigger picture on the strategy of writing a VBA program. As you watch these lessons, write down some notes on the things you would want to cement in your mind. After watching all the videos, you must go back and implement what you have learned. This is necessary and it will cement the skill in your mind. As they say, practice makes perfect. You will do this by watching the entire lesson, then implement it. When done, compare the outcome with what you see on the screen. If you are satisfied, move on to the next lesson and do the same. Now, before we start with practical learning, let's define in detail what VBA is.